Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel. So this week for my nail tutorial, I'm going to do some M&M inspired nails. So I thought it would be cool to do, and hopefully it comes out great. So before you continue watching and me continue on doing my thing, go down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and give this video a like, because if you like M&M's, just give this video a like. Go ahead and share it to everyone. Let's get started with this video. Okay guys, let's get this video started. So 2 coats of the nail polish that I'm going to show you for the base.
Yeah, like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like Kung Fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself.
The first set of nails I'm going to do is the pinky, index finger, and middle finger. So on these, I'm going to do the M&M design, but in like a French tip look.
If you ever need a helper, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can.
So with the brush or dotting tool, just make dots on, I guess, the end of the French tip, so we have that rounded look for some of the images. But scatter like that, then fill in the rest of the French tip in with the brown.
You're my dream, but I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself.
So next, I'm gonna use the dotting tool to make dots to resemble dots for the M&Ms, the individual M&Ms, but I'll use white so I can fill in the different colors of the M&Ms. So you want to make sure to not to put them so close together, because you still want to see that chocolate brown around each.
Then I thought I got everything I want when I hold you with my arms. Now this don't matter, my love and my pleasure, the key to my treasure. Whatever's the weather, day up and night with you till I die. How many times for you I'ma try? Want you to notice the one and I know this perfect soulmate. I wanna show my best friend, she saved my life.
Now I'm going to fill in each circle with using red, green, and blue and yellow to represent the M&Ms.
Hug it to myself, I just want it.
Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself.
Okay.
Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself.
Oh baby.
can leave it like this, or you can attempt to draw some M's on some of the M&Ms or all of the M&Ms. So we're going to attempt to put some on some of the M&Ms. The white doesn't show up on the yellow, so that's why I'm choosing only to put the M on the colored one. Now all three of those nails are done. Now we're gonna go on to the wedding finger, which I just chose that as an accent nail. I already put 2 coats of glitter on it already, as you've seen earlier in the video, but I want to pack it on a little bit more because I love this hollow glitter. See-through underneath like this, but just a little bit fuller, so I'm going to put a coat of more of this glitter on it. So I'm going to do which is next, and the last thing, the thumb. I'm going to do a melting chocolate on my thumb. So all the nails are done, and all we have to do next for this easy, simple nail tutorial is for top coat. So you guys, what do you think about this M&M inspired nail tutorial? I thought it came out, or I thought it looked great at the end of it all. I had fun doing it, which that's all that matters, having fun. So before you leave and click off this wonderful video, go down below and subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video and share this video to everyone who loves M&Ms. Like, who doesn't? But to everyone. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.